What counts as a damaged passport? A question we hear pretty often is what actually counts as a damaged passport. Things like water damage, torn, missing pages, heavy markings, or a loose data page are typically considered significant damage. Normal wear from travel, like light bending or minor scuffing on the cover, is usually not an issue. If you are unsure, you can always send us a photo and we'll take a look. It's much easier to review it ahead of time so you know exactly where you stand before moving forward.